Hi guys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine. Lovely viewer will see in this video. Today we'll see in this videos modern landscaping ideas. Lovely viewer will see in this videos top stylish and unique landscaping ideas. Garden decorations ideas. You will see your trending landscaping ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. Today we will see in this videos attractive and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. You will see in all attractive and creative landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. If you like my videos, so before downloaded my videos, many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. Top creative and trending garden decorations ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. If you like my videos, so before downloaded my videos, and you like this one creative garden decorations ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. You will see all top stylish and creative landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see all creative garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. I always try to bring new top stylish landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very attractive and trending modern landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very creative and trending and creative landscaping ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. You will see unique, modern, unique home decoration designs. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I always try to bring your trending home